do you think you will be doing when you are 70 years old? I think I will do travel and cooking. I have two reasons to support my opinion. First, I don't need much money when I am older. Because I am 70 years old, I don't buy any sharp or lots of things. Also, I don't eat snacks. So, I can save money if I buy sharp and snacks. If I go travel with my friends, I will be very fun and happy. In travel, I can buy many things I need. Second, I like cooking. My dad said I am good at cooking. I can do egg fries and ramen and grilled meat. And if I do successful, I can hear my mom and dad said good job. Also, my grandmother said my food tastes very good. So, if I am 70 years old, I will do traveling and cooking. In conclusion, I want to do if I am older, I will do traveling and cooking. Because traveling is I don't have much money, and cooking is I like, and cooking is very good. Thank you for listening to my presentation.